Hi guys, it's your girl B Michelle coming at you with another Dollar Tree DIY, and I'm going to be doing these pumpkins. This is a very simple, easy DIY. So I'm removing the leaf off of the pumpkin. There's a loop in there. You just unwind it and just pull it through. And I'm going to be spray painting these. You can hand paint them if you want, but I chose to spray paint them using some Rustoleum satin white. I think it's called Blossom White, maybe, spray paint. So I used some, after I spray painted them, I want to spray paint the top part gold. So I'm using some painter's tape to cover that part. And like I said, you guys can hand paint these and the painter's tape wouldn't be necessary, but that's totally up to you if you decide to do this project. Or of course you can buy the pumpkins already white and gold. But I just wanted to paint mine. I like the look of the original color, how it had the orange and the green and it had the gold accents throughout the pumpkin. That's the look I'm going to be doing. Again, I just didn't want the orange and the green, so I preferred to do my white. So I'm just covering that part so I can spray paint the tip. I couldn't find my gold paint at the time, so I just went ahead and spray painted these, but then I later found my gold paint. So I went ahead and spray painted the leaves as well. And this is how it looks so far. And I'm just going to be following up with that gold paint using a brush and just going over it to give it that same look that it had originally, just changing the background color. So I'm just using a small paintbrush and I'm kind of just running the brush across it back and forth. I thought I was just going to kind of trace the little lines that was already on there, but then I just took the brush and kind of whisked it back and forth against the pumpkin, and I just like the gold look that's coming through on top of the white. So it's a very simple and easy DIY. Anyone can do this one. And eventually, I was going a little slow at first. I eventually just said, what the heck? And I just went over the whole pumpkin, just going back and forth, kind of dry brushing. So I didn't have a whole lot of paint on my brush, just kind of dry brushing across, and it was just picking up here and there. So and you can do more or less. It's totally up to you, however you want to do yours. So I'm going to continue to do this, and I'm going to be quiet. So once you have your pumpkins finished, you can go ahead and put your leaf back on. And there, you see the little hole there at the top. You just slide the little metal piece back through the little hole and just bend it down just a little bit and just take the leaf and wrap it back around. Sorry, you can't see it right there. So just bend it just a little bit. And just wrap the rest of the leaf. And it's that simple. So there you have it. I'm going to continue to do the same process with the rest of my pumpkins, and I'll show you the final look. So here's the final look, and I love the way they turned out. This is the look that I was going for. So yeah, it was very quick and simple. I love that gold on top of the white. Of course, I loved it, the original, the way they were from the Dollar Tree. I just didn't want those colors. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel and you like what you see here and want to continue to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you taking your time to watch my videos. I appreciate all the love and support that you guys have shown me. And I just love you guys. You guys are the best. So until next time, you guys, bye.